Plaintiff Jerry Rizzolo is suing her ex-husband for personal property that she claims was stolen from her. Jerry says the defendant is a cross-dresser who wanted Jerry to swing with other couples and accompany him to sex clubs. Defendant Anthony Rizzolo says he paid for the clothing Jerry's suing for, and she's only here because she wants Anthony back. Anthony's countersuing for defamation because he says Jerry's telling people he has a sexually transmitted disease.
Remain standing. The Honorable Judge Jeanine Pirro presiding. Please be seated.
Jerry Rizzolo is suing Anthony Rizzolo, her ex-husband, for personal property. Anthony is countersuing his ex-wife for the value of a computer and defamation of character. How are you today, Jerry?
I'm fine, thank you. And yourself?
Good, thank you. Why are you here?
I'm here because I met Anthony a few years ago. I had been in an abusive relationship before, and I thought that he was different, but then I found out that he was an abusive person mentally. He was a cross-dresser. He was into porno, and he was very abusive to me and wanted me to join.
After cross-dresser, I didn't hear it. What did you say? Cross-dresser, and then what?
Maybe I should have came with my dress.
He was.
Do you have one?
He was mentally abusive to me. He made me wear skirts all the time. I could work 12 hours. I would have to come home and dress up in skirts and nylons and all that. He was a
That's
pervert.
abusive? That's abusive to wear a
when
skirt?
it was every day.
Oh, what are you wearing
And he
today?
would call me names.
What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a suit
A skirt.
that's presentable. That's not up to my,
Oh, one of those skirts. He wanted a short skirt.
yes.
Okay. What else?
And he wanted me to swing with other people. He wanted to bring other people into the bedroom.
Did that ever happen?
No, that never happened. That's why we got divorced.
So what are you suing him for?
He took most of my clothes and locked them up in his bedroom and wouldn't give me my
Honor,
clothes.
that's not true. I have not done anything.
I have witness statements of clothes that I had, and I have witness statements of clothes that I do now have.
Well, what was it like
have
when he
him
said
on
to you?
tape saying
What was
he
it
has
like when he
mine.
said to you he wanted to bring other couples and swing? I mean,
told
did you
him I
not
would
know
not
this
do
before
that.
you married him?
No, on my birthday on June, after I dated him a few months, he threw a so-called birthday party for me, invited his daughter and family, and none of my friends, and this
You had
couple
friends?
that
Did you have friends? All your
excuse
friends were
me?
my friends.
Anthony,
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry,
thank you.
Your Honor.
Go ahead.
and he invited this couple from the swinging club. They wanted to go swimming. So we
So
have,
the swingers wanted to go swimming.
yes, ma'am.
Got it. Okay.
Okay. I went in the house to get my bathing suit on and to get other bathing suits. We had different size swim wear for people that wanted to come to the house and swim. I go outside and they're stripped stark naked.
Your Honor,
And
that's
I
all
go
a
back
lie.
in the house and then they're PO'd at me and they leave. And he comes in and rips me a new one because I wouldn't do it. I'm not going to do
Was
it.
everybody drinking that night?
Not much, no.
So this other couple that comes, they're not swingers? Were they in the pool naked?
No, Your Honor, they were not swingers. They were just friends, and they came over, and we had a drink or two, and then they did go in the pool, yes, but they were not
Did
naked.
they go in the pool with their clothes on?
They were in the pool with bathing suits on, Your Honor.
So they brought bathing suits.
No, Your Honor, we provided bathing suits for them.
So when Jerry says she went upstairs to put hers on and to bring them bathing suits, she's not telling the truth.
No, Your Honor, she's not.
So what happens that night after they leave?
He goes off,
What does he say?
calls me all kinds of names.
He calls you names?
Yeah.
All right. So what are you suing him for?
He took all my clothes. I've got over
And who bought them all for
$16,000
you?
worth of receipts.
And who bought them all for you, Jerry? I did. You want to see the bills? I have them right here also. You came to me with nothing. I brought you into my home after 2 days we met. You had nothing. I provided you with everything you own.
Let's see the evidence.
Part of them are mine and part of them are his.
Okay. So where are your clothes? What are you saying? That he's got your
He's
clothes?
got them, yes.
What is he doing with them?
He's put them on other women.
Oh, sure.
And he's wearing them, I guess. Here's a skirt that he stretched out and was supposed to put the elastic back in. Here's another dress that is supposed to fit you skin tight.
Well, are you saying that he's wearing these?
I'm saying that he has had these on. I
Did
found
you ever-
these in the bottom of my
Did
drawer.
you ever see me with them on, Jerry?
I found these in the bottom
Stop.
of my drawer. When I was doing my closet, this stuff was supposed to be in a box.
Did he
in
ever
the
try
thing.
this stuff on in front of you?
No, I wouldn't let him. They were in a box. It's on this tape.
Your Honor, she cannot.
Let's hear it. Let's hear
Your
it.
Honor, I say she cannot hear that tape. In Florida,
can't hear
that's
the tape?
against the law. She cannot hear that
I'll
tape.
decide it. Let's hear it.
You'll stand up in court and tell me you're
Yes, I'm gonna. Yes, I'm gonna.
Your family don't know that, Tom.
That's okay.
You don't want them to know that.
Why?
I don't know.
Terry, they're doing swing. What's the difference? They know that.
Put all your cross-dressing stuff out there in a box because I told you I didn't want to see. You've been taking my clothes before I went through them.
Gave them back to you. Only thing I kept was
No, it's not. I got stockings missing. I got panties.
I still have the juice list and I have the pants.
You've been through my clothes 3 times.
And I have the white thing and I have the black.
Yeah, you told me yesterday if I signed quit claim deed, you give him my stuff back.
Okay, and where were you when you recorded this?
We were out on the night. The neighbor here was here, a neighbor here. Our roommate Jack was running back and forth. He had no expectations of privacy.
Because Florida is a two-party state, and generally conversations between two parties are not admissible in court unless both parties agree and acknowledge that the recording is being made. However, what the plaintiff is talking about with an expectation of privacy is if you have a conversation that other people can overhear and there is no expectation of privacy, then it doesn't matter if they both agree. So it really depends upon whether or not it was so open that other people could just lean in and hear it. Talk to me. What's your recollection of this? Andy?
Regarding them clothes right there, they were my deceased wife's clothes that I had in a box in the shed.
When did your wife die?
My wife died 4 years ago.
Why is she making this up?
I don't know why she's making it up. She wants it. She wants me back, Your Honor, because this woman right here told me, she calls me all the time and she says, Jerry wants you back. She's scorned. She wants you back.
Why is she scorned?
I don't want her back. I
Why
took her
is she
back
scorned?
twice. Scorned because she's still in love with me and she wants me back, Your Honor.
No, scorned suggests that there was someone else and that's why she is scorned.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Don't
It
use
took
the
me
choice
for
of-
over
choice of words.
$40,000. Just
Do you
the
still have
opposite.
feelings for him, Jerry?
No.
Look at me.
Which is,
No, ma'am.
no.
No,
How about you, Anthony? Have you moved on?
I moved on, yes, Your Honor, I have.
And who are you?
I have another girlfriend.
I'm Tony's best friend, Your Honor.
What is your name and why are you here?
Dennis Macchiano. I'm here as a character reference, and I'm also a friend of Jerry's.
You are?
Yes.
Well, talk
Yes.
to me.
Your Honor, I'm here, and I'm really kind of baffled on some of the things that I've heard.
So you weren't at the sex party, huh?
No, I'm not privy to any of this. I've never heard of this before. I've known Tony for 9 years. I'm really in a myth. I've never, ever...
Do you want to go home now or do you want to talk?
Excuse me?
Do you want to go home?
Yeah, I don't like this weather at all.
What do you want to tell me?
I have heard some of the accusations that Jerry has made towards Tony. She has made accusations that she would say
He's
this in
talking about the
public about him.
hepatitis C that he
Yes.
has.
Do you have hepatitis C?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Yes, he does.
Prove it. You got my medical papers? Illegal.
There's the porno sites he's on.
Oh, anybody can go on porno sites.
So you don't deny that you go on porno sites?
No, ma'am. No, Your Honor, I do not. I do not deny that.
The issue for the court is whether you have her clothes.
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Okay.
I have nothing that belongs to her. Everything she asked for, I gave her back.
All right. And there's nothing in your past that suggests you've gone to a swingers club or that you had friends who took their clothes off after a party where you guys are drinking. None of that
No,
happened.
Your Honor, that's not true. That's all a lie.
Your
Okay.
Honor.
And have you ever worn women's clothes?
No, Your Honor, I have not.
Have you ever tried on her clothes?
No, Your Honor.
Are you
I'm
telling?
sorry, Your Honor, I did. I went to a masquerade party many years ago, and I went
Yeah.
as a woman.
You did.
Yes, Your Honor,
And that's
I did.
before you met her because you didn't.
Way before. That was when I was married to my wife, Carol.
Okay.
On your honor, on those porno sites, dating sites that he was on, he admits he's a cross-dresser.
Okay, my ideal person. Looking for a couple, teach her the ropes. I am experienced with bi, but she's a beginning. She's very good sexually and very beautiful. I'm 62, but I don't look my age. I love sex all the time. People say I look like Billy Joel. She's 58 and sexy. She no do woman, but I do man.
Oh, Your Honor, and anybody can put that
I'm
on
62,
an email.
brown hair. I do not look my age, like to cross-dress. I'm horny all the time. I like to have couples. Okay. The issue for the court is whether or not the defendant is liable to the plaintiff for conversion and whether the plaintiff is liable to the defendant for property damage and defamation. What property did she damage?
She damaged my brand new computer that my daughter bought
Well, how
me.
did she damage it?
She poured water on it.
Did you do that?
Literally poured water on it.
Come on, don't lie to me, Jerry. You're
No.
mad at this guy.
Your Honor, I'll take a lie detector test.
Your Honor.
Will she?
Will you take a
Will
lie
she?
detector on the
Yes, Your Honor, I
cross-dressing?
will.
Right. If the plaintiff negligently or intentionally damaged the defendant's property, plaintiff is liable for the lesser of the repair or the replacement. Now, the two of you are divorced. The issue for the court is whether or not the issues that you are bringing up to me now are issues that should have been resolved in the divorce. Why did you not seek to get your clothing at the time of the divorce?
I did. I went back after the divorce.
And what happened?
One of the neighbors beat him up. So I felt sorry for him. I went over, I took care of them. In the meantime, they got PO'd at me, packed all my stuff, put it in the driveway, and I had nowhere to go but back to his house.
Who packed your stuff up?
My roommate, her
May I-
daughter.
May I say something about
Yes.
that? You want to know why they packed her stuff up?
Why?
She was friends with these people for 30-something years. She went to bed with the woman's husband.
I did
That's
not.
why she's thrown out.
Well, you
That's
should
why they
like her
threw
more
out.
based on your emails. All right. If the defendant has some of the property of the plaintiff, then the defendant has to give the plaintiff the property back. I suspect that the defendant may have held on to some of her clothes based upon the emails. Now, I am going to award the plaintiff $2,000 for clothing, and the defendant is alleging that the plaintiff owes him for defamation of character, saying he has a sexually transmitted disease or hepatitis C. The defendant has not offered me any evidence to say that he does not, although it certainly is not his obligation, but he hasn't presented any evidence to say that she has actually said it. So there is no defamation of character here. I think that the defendant's emails counter any claim that he may have made in this case. Therefore, a verdict for the plaintiff, $2,000. So ordered.